Okay, I'm working on my 2000 MR2 Spyder made by Toyota. I'm replacing pretty much all the interior, but when I took this off, the center console, I wanted to check out this e-brake. It's been not working at all, and when I looked into it, if you can see right here, this white cable, it's supposed to be pulling this part this way to engage the e-brake. If you look at it, it's not really doing much. So I think that this right here is how to adjust it. So I'm gonna see if that fixes it, because not having an e-brake with a manual transmission is not a fun thing. So let's see if that fixes it, and hopefully this will help you if you have this same issue. Okay, so I got my 10mm and my wrench. Let's tighten it a little bit, see what it does. Okay, we're gonna try that for now. Still not doing much. Let's tighten it some more. Okay, so I tightened it about 1/4 of an inch. It's still not giving me what I want, so let's see if we can tighten it a little bit more. Okay, so if you can see that new spot, definitely fixed it. I mean, I've tightened it probably 1/3 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch.